Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to sell ticket in Tickpick. If you want to sell a ticket, follow me in this video guide. Go to Tickpick, this website. As you can see here, click on this sell option. On this sell option, click start selling, and then you will be redirected to dashboard page. From this dashboard, select your ticket here. For example, this one. Select any ticket you want to sell. For example, this one. Click select, choose your ticket info from this section here. Choose your ticket and then choose your row and then click continue. From this here, write your all details such your ticket number, your barcode, your ticket price. For example, $1,000. This is suggested prices. Choose your additional information from here. Choose your contact phone number. Choose your country residence from here, United States or something like this. Click create a listing, this option. So in this case, just fill all this information, your price of ticket price, all details, and then click on add card here. This is for credit card information, and then click create a listing. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this.